So I decided to come with this camera 2 days before we leave. It is Tuesday. We are off to Grenada in 2 days, okay? And this trip is going to be so memorable for me because, not sure if you guys know, but my whole family is from Grenada. I still have a lot of relatives and things in Grenada. And I'm excited. I haven't been to Grenada in 2019. I used to go like every so often. I have one of my favorite cousins still lives there. Well, she was born, she lives there. And I cannot wait to see her, and I can't wait to see the rest of my family. But besides that, Grenada is such a beautiful island, and I feel like it's such a gem in the Caribbean that not much people know about. And I low-key wanted to keep it that way. Our island is small, and it's very cultured, and everyone's friendly, and it's super safe. And it's just always a good vibe. If you know anyone that ever been to Grenada, you will know. Like, you will have a blast in Grenada. It has so many gems. And so yeah, anyway, before I babble on and on, I'm basically going for my birthday. My birthday is on Friday, March 3rd, Pisces. And yeah, I decided to book a trip to Grenada and bring my family. So my man and Kai. So this is our first family vacation. This is the first time Kai will be out of the country. Even though he had his passport for like a year now, we're finally taking a trip, so I'm excited. But I don't want to hold up too long. I just wanted to come and update you guys. So I had just came from getting my hair done. I'm loving these braids. Tomorrow I'm getting my nails done, eyebrows, toes, and that's about it, you guys. But yeah, that's it. So next time you see me, we will be in the airport or in Grenada. So come along with us on our first family vacation to Greens, the Spice Isle, Grenada, my favorite place in the world. My favorite place in the world. Come along with us, you guys. Good morning, you guys. It is like about to be 4 o'clock, I think. But we're here. You know where you going? 45? Yeah. Kai's shoe came off everything. It's a good thing the guy went back and got it for me.
If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
Hi, thank you. Come on, it's sunny, right? Rum punch on arrival.
We outside.
I'm home. This is Grenada, you guys. And this is our balcony. I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, the room is nothing special, to be honest. We made it. Birthday tomorrow. Okay. So we opened the doors. We have 2 full-length mirrors right here. I didn't even look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Okay. The shower, just calm, nothing super extravagant. Then we come here, we got our coffee maker, the bed. I did ask for double beds. I did book double beds, so I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and ask them about it. But this is fine for now, honestly. They did bring us a crib for Kai. I'm not sure if we'll be using it because he'll sleep with us. They did have fruits for us upon arrival. And then we have like a desk, a chair here, another mirror. And then my favorite part, honestly, I love the beach, you guys. I love the water. So this right here is everything to me. Hi, Kai Kai. Look how beautiful, you guys. I'm loving these palm trees right here, though. I'm not gonna lie. Huh? I know, right? Well, we are heading to Umbrellas. It's a beach bar on Granada Beach. If you're from Grenada, you know. Good food, good vibes right on the beach. So it's gonna be a vibe. And yeah, I'm wearing this dress from Lavish. I'm watching it this summer. A cute cutout piece. Let me show you guys. Okay. Don't mind the selfie stick, but yeah, I'm wearing this dress from Lavish.
You got it. Okay, queen. We see you. B-Day loading.
So we are dressed and ready. Me and Kai went with the neutral brown vibe. We're about to find something to eat real quick before we go to Umbrellas, because we need something in our system. Farm school, he in farm one. You want anything? My favorite, huh? I'm vlogging. My favorite cousin. Yeah, Umbrellas.
Hey, Kay.
This is a regular smoothie, right? Best life.
Sand everywhere. Good morning. It is March 3rd. It's my birthday. I'm another year older. I'm feeling very, very grateful. God is just like, so it's early. It's probably like 8 o'clock right now. I just came out on a balcony to just take it in. This is the vibe right now. It's the palm trees and the sun and the fact that the beach is right here. Literally perfect. But last night was our first night in Grenada. Obviously it was a traveling day, so we didn't do much when we came. Hopefully you guys can hear me and it's not too many waves crashing. But yeah, once we got back in the hotel, I kind of just unpacked. A little bit, and then we went to Umbrellas. Like I mentioned earlier. No, first we went to the restaurant downstairs to grab something to eat because we were waiting on my cousin. And Kai had an oil down. He ate dumpling. Yeah, it was like Grenada night at the ROYALTON, so they had all Grenadian cuisine, so it was really good. And once my cousin came, we went to the lower down the beach to Umbrellas, and we just relaxed and just kind of vibed out. We had drinks, food. My cousin treated me, and yeah, it was a good time. Kai got sand because the beach is right there, so Kai was playing with the sand. Sand was all here. Like Kai literally has sand stuck in his braids right now. So once we got home, I gave Kai a shower, tried to wash his hair. Now his braids look crazy and fuzzy. So right now, once he wakes up, I have to try to redo his braids because he's not about to be walking around Grenada looking like a ragamuffin. Like, I have to fix him up and make him look good. But yeah, then we ordered room service and we just vibed out really. So today on my agenda, I want to go to another beach bar lower down the beach, and then I want to go to the waterfall. I'm debating if I should like beat my face for the whole day or just wait till dinner time to really like do a birthday beat and get really pretty. But yeah, I just want to be in nature. I just want to be in water today and just enjoy God's earth. And yeah, so we're going to Mount Carmel Falls. We're gonna do breakfast. I think I'll order room service for breakfast this morning because I want to do Kai's hair and I just want him to sit down, enjoy the view, and he could eat out here. And yeah, that is the plan. And of course, April is riding with me, riding with us, and yeah, that's about it. But just stay tuned, you guys, and let's do it. My guy is up. I'm about to fix his hair real quick. So we made it to Esther's bar. So it's basically on the beach with little mini bars over here. It's real cute and vibey. Kai Kai.
Over there.
So
Take a picture of me.
after this, we are heading to Mount Carmel Falls. I'm just waiting for April right now to come so we could get something to eat and then go to the waterfall.
God, look.
The one down there. Only be
To the big one.
what he want to pee.
So-
He don't pee. Yes.
We're walking up this hill to Mount Carmel. Look at Kai Kai. The sun is coming out. Huh? Okay, we're still walking. It's a little trek, but we're good. Look at Kai Kai. Beautiful, guys. I love the lush greenery.
On this way, please.
Oh.
Okay. And the morning those just come and skid down.
Slide down.
Skid down and
Wow.
swim in the center.
But how deep is this? It's not deep.
It shouldn't be that deep. Like conquer, and then deep.
Really? You don't come with him, right? Yeah. Kai having the time of his life. It's right there.
But very soon.
It came on pretty quick. This is the first time I've used it. Can you pull up my dress for me? Pull up my dress. Thank you.
Yeah, you
Pull up his face a little.
don't want me touching at all.
Yeah. Like nobody touch you. Take your time. Remember the video I made on my camera and he was like 9 years old? Like, listen to popcorn up and down the road. That's so funny. Now we have Kai Kai in the middle.
Things like that. They probably need up the bed.
Hopefully I get some cake or something. Super cute. Exactly what I needed for my birthday. I know, right? We are off to dinner. Kaka, can I see you?
Is it possible here before?
Ooh, look at you. Let's go. Wow. You seen Just Married one? Come on, let's go.
Come on, Papa.
We partying tonight. For appetizers. Yummy. Mango. Mint. And strawberry. Thank you. Hopefully you guys can hear me and the waves aren't crashing too loudly, but good morning. Oh, it is early in the morning. It's like 7, no, it's probably 8 o'clock right now. And I woke up kind of early. So I decided to take a walk on the beach. Our room is like one of these right there. So if they wake up, they can look outside and see me. But Oh my gosh, you guys, I had the best birthday ever. So I'm not sure if I really vlogged. I think I did clips here and there of us walking to the waterfall. But basically what we did yesterday is we went to Esther's Bar, which is a bar located on Grenada Beach. We went for some food and drinks. So we got that, and then we headed to Mount Carmel Falls. It was so beautiful, you guys. So there's two falls. There's the tall one, so that one is pretty tall. It was beautiful. We got there, I took some pictures on the rocks, and it was just so fulfilling. And then the second one was more where Kai was able to, so it's like a little pool where Kai was able to go and swim and bathe and enjoy the weather, and he loved it so much. When it was time for us to go, he put down a tantrum for real, but it was honestly the best. And there were like little fishes in the water, and it was so beautiful. It was so fulfilling, and I'm a Pisces. I love to be around water. Grenada is my favorite resort, so be able to experience it with Kai, it's literally made my heart warm. And yeah, so I basically spent my birthday at the waterfall, just enjoying the vibes, enjoying the sun, enjoying God's beauty, enjoying nature, and I loved every minute of it. Like every 2 seconds, I was like, oh my God, this day is just amazing. Kai had a blast. And then once we got back home, well, we got back to the resort, we went to Taj, it's an Indian restaurant. It was 10 out of 10, so good. You guys don't have to worry about food if you decide to stay at Royalton, because so far the food has been amazing. We have not been able to get breakfast yet because we've kind of been on the go. Last night we did order, well, yesterday morning we did order room service, breakfast room service to the room, because I had to redo Kai's hair. And they effed up our order, which is okay, because we did order a lot. And it's kind of cool because you order room service to the TV. But they kind of effed up our room service order, so I didn't really eat breakfast. But today we plan on going to the buffet, getting our omelets made and things like that. But you guys, let me show you guys the view. This is the view right now. It's literally beautiful. And I've been going makeup free so far. I only put on makeup last night for dinner because, you know, it's dinner. I wanted to get cute. But, oh, this is the dream, you guys. Grenada is so beautiful. Like, it's just so unexplainable. Just the views alone. Because Grenada is so hilly, you can literally be at any point and see some type of view. So it's literally the best. The weather, the sun, just everything is amazing. Yeah, Esther's Bar was a vibe. They were playing like, you know, West Korean music. Kai was vibing out. Yeah, it was just a vibe. So today is my kayak photo shoot. My drone photo shoot, and I'm so excited. It's kind of like, I know you guys seen like Turk and Caicos, the clear kayaks, and you take pictures with the drone overhead. We have that in Grenada also. So, and it's also on my favorite beach, which is BBC Beach. So I'm excited to go. My appointment is 10:45. So it's not far from here. So we'll probably leave like 10:15ish. April will meet us there, of course. And yeah, we're gonna do the shoot, relax on the beach for a little bit, enjoy BBC, and then I'm gonna show them around town. Town is basically like the central part, the city, I guess you can call. We're in the city, we're in the capital, but town is where like all the marketplaces and the shops and the mini malls and things like that. So I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour around Grenada. Of course, I have family here, so I do have to go say hi to my family. They have to meet Kai and Pinky Fabulous. If you guys don't know, she's a silk artist in Grenada, but she's also my family. I think the last time, before the time I came, I had stayed with her and had a blast. Like, she was taking me to her shows and everything. So I speak about Pinky so much to Kevin. So I'm excited for him to see her today. So yeah, we're just gonna do like a little tour. He's gonna meet my family. We might go to the chocolate museum because the chocolate museum is in town. So Kai can see how they make chocolate. And yeah, you guys, we're just gonna go with the flow. And I'm going to try to do as much as I can today because tomorrow is my official last day. Oh my gosh. My official full day tomorrow. So I plan on doing like a full beach day. Do the pool, bring Kai to the kiddies pool, and basically enjoy the resort because we really haven't been on the resort much. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Sunday in April, we'll get a day pass to stay here, so we're just gonna be vibing, drinking all the free drinks, eating all the food, taking pictures on the beach, all of that. So yeah, you guys, so for right now, I'm just enjoying the sun and the view. Just taking it all in. Literally so beautiful. And I also thought it would have been hard to find seashells on the beach, but when I tell you there's literally seashells everywhere, like, hold on. Like, I literally just looked over and found this big seashell. Found this huge seashell, so it's really not hard to find any. I have to take one back home because I love collecting them. This one is way too big, but it's bigger than my face. Woo. Beautiful. You guys, my bikini is all wrong. It was so pretty. Look, there's like a little stork or something on the rock. But I put it on the wrong way, and then they ended up leaving me and going to breakfast. So I was like, go ahead. And I forgot to tie it in the back. So once I get to BBC, I'm gonna fix it before the shoots. So pretty. It's so green. Grenada is so vast with greenery. So beautiful. Oh. How you hilarious. favorite beach, BBC. It's a little cloudy. It was raining like 5 minutes ago, but I just love it because it's great views right here. You see the houses on the hills. I just finished my photo shoot.
My destiny.
Sir, Kai Kai.
I wanna live my days.
She was waiting patiently for us though. Huh? Yeah. Hey you guys, this is night 3. We are off to dinner. Come on. So we are at Grazi Trattoria, Italian restaurant, and we're gonna go eat. Let's see what it's like for. Kai's meatballs look really good. Bring it. Kai got the chicken parm. Are you gonna eat it? What is it?
This is mussels, shrimp, and fish. You feel me?
So it's a soup?
Pescatarian style. You know?
Oh, you look so handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Alrighty.
What dessert do you eat?
So it is Sunday. Happy Sunday. It's almost 12 o'clock. We already ate, did everything we had to do in the morning. And now we're having a little photo shoot on the beach. I planned like this all white vibe. So I'm wearing this lace dress. So good. A long lace dress. And Kai is wearing, I'm gonna show you Kai in a few, but hopefully we got some good pictures in and someone on the beach can take some pictures of us, so we'll see how that goes. I just need to put in my other earring. Hold on. So yeah, I just have to fix my edges a little bit and then we're good. And I have not been wearing, I've barely been wearing makeup this whole trip and I've been feeling amazing. It's so good. But yeah, let me go fix my edges and I'll be right back. But let's take in the view. Amazing. Hi, Tinky Boo. So I'll be right back. Wait, we gotta put on the shirt.
Kick! Kick!
Oh, okay.
Kick! Look at that. My boy don't need no assistance. Kick! Kick! Kick!
No, don't do
Kick! Kick! Hey!
Good morning, you guys. Unfortunately, it is our last day, and I honestly did not get much footage because yesterday my phone, well, I had phone phone damage, water damage to my phone, and it's not letting me charge my phone. So I'm gonna have to fix that when I go back to New York. I've been using my boyfriend's phone, but it's our last day. We leave at 4 today. We do have a couple running arounds to do. I have to go see Pinky, and I want to go in town. I want to go to the chocolate museum, and we're gonna head out. Thankfully, the Royalton, the airport is like 2 minutes away from the Royalton, so we don't have to do much. What happened? Where you going? So
Video.
chocolate rum shot.
Look.
So as you guys can see, I am back in New York. And I'm editing the vlog and I'm realizing like I literally didn't even end the travel vlog correctly, and that's because the last 2 days my phone ended up having water damage, so I wasn't even able to charge my phone, nothing. So my phone was basically completely dead the last 2 days. I had to use my boyfriend's phone to record clips here and there, so that's why the ending was kind of just like all over the place. But anyways, the trip, oh my gosh, best trip ever, you guys. Like, we had such a blast, and I'm so thankful and grateful that I was able to take my family to Grenada. My boyfriend is still talking about it, that we need to go back. It was just amazing, everything. Let's start with the hotel. The hotel was a 10 out of 10. They definitely brought the vibes. Every night there was something going on. Either they had like a DJ and everybody was just vibing in the lobby, or they were playing soca music with steel pans. What else did they have? During the day they would have games out, so they had like Jenga, Connect 4, Uno, so you can like play games there. Everything was just a vibe. The service was top tier. Everyone went above and beyond for us, so I had no complaints about anything there. The food was great. We went to Taj, which is the Indian restaurant. We went to an Italian restaurant. No complaints at all. Even the buffet food was amazing. And then the oceanfront room with the beach literally right there was amazing. And then at night you can hear the waves crashing. It was just a vibe, you guys. Like, highly recommend the Royalton if you are going. And it's literally like a minute away from the airport. Literally right there. Like, as soon as you come off the airport grounds, well, actually the Royalton is on airport grounds, so literally right there. You can't miss your flight, nothing like that. So it was super convenient as well, and I was able to experience with my family, which was my favorite part. Kai had a blast, just him being on the beach, like a real actual Caribbean beach with white sand and blue waters. Like, we cannot wait to go back. I did amazing on his first flight. No screaming, no tantrums, no crying, nothing like that. Well, he did have a tantrum in the airport, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't on the plane. And the flight attendant actually gave him like a little pin because he did so good. So I'm so proud of my baby. Yeah, he did great. So I think the highlight of my trip, oh yeah, and I also did want to point out and give a big shout out to the photographer and the owner of Cayak Grenada, where we did the drone photo shoot. Basically that day, the cab driver ended up coming late for us, and I ended up reaching maybe like 30-45 minutes late for my photo shoot, you guys. It was horrible, but I did text him and let him know that I was running late, and he didn't make it an issue. Once we got there, we basically like dove in. He didn't rush us, anything like that. He made sure we got all our shots. He made sure I was comfortable. He made sure everything was good, like, and yeah, just big shout outs to him, because he did what he had to do, and even though I was running late, he still was able to accommodate me, and you know, we still had our photo shoot. What else? I think the highlight of my trip was basically just spending my birthday in like nature and in the water, me living freely and just enjoying God's beauty and just enjoying life. Like, that's what it was. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything that I did on the trip, anything about Grenada, traveling with a toddler, whatever it is, you guys can ask your questions and I will answer them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog, and if you're thinking about going to Grenada, this is your sign that you need to book your flight and get there. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.